Telecommunication industry has seen exponential growth in the last 15 to 20 years. The traditional television providers turn into broadband service providers, everything from internet to video on demand to voice over IP. We've been involved in the industries along all that growth. Right now we're seeing a trend where we're going to, a lot more resources are going to be put into the industry. We're seeing another growth spurt in technology. We see more things where the Internet of Things is an industry buzzword. You're talking about 5G wireless, where the capacity for these services and this information data, and it's all being driven by the consumer, which constantly demands more speed, more data, more bandwidth. Everybody wants their YouTube, their Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, you name it. It is causing the industry to continuously grow and to try and keep up with the consumer demand. The telecommunication providers are now feeling the pressure to keep up with the demand and also make incredibly costly decisions on where and how they're going to provide, because there are many options out there. The communication service providers are now seeing that the end is near for their traditional HFC coax plant, but there are still miles to go. DOCSIS has been an industry standard, which is now seeing the introduction of DOCSIS 3.1, where you're going to see an incredible capacity, and you're looking at remote PHY possibility, you're looking at fiber to the home possibility, you're looking at 5G wireless technology, but there needs to be a planned strategic attack to get their systems to that point. Communication service providers are struggling a lot with their facilities as well. Energy is a huge factor in all their services. They have to maintain multiple facilities, and how best to utilize their facilities and get the most out of them. Service providers are collecting huge amounts of data of all their customers across all their services, and knowing how to use that data to best make business decisions to save money for their operating expenditures as well. A lot goes into their decisions. The big manufacturers of the technology, whether it be Broadcom, Cisco, Alcatel, Lucent, Huawei, Samsung, all these providers, manufacturers are pitching their solutions. So as a service provider, it can be very confusing. And so these decisions affect long-range expenditures and where they're going. Phrase that quick. You have to chomp
Yeah. Good? Yes, that's very good.
That's it? That's all?
That is all. Yes.